I'm Sue Myers. I'm in the education department here at Ladue Gardens, and we're just outside of our native butterfly house. I'm here with Rob Jenkins from Blue Water, Baltimore, Herring Run Nursery, and he's brought us some plants that we're going to be planting around the butterfly house to help out the caterpillars and the butterflies. They're also helping us in sponsoring the Wild and Scenic Film Festival here at Ladue, which is on April 17th. It's a virtual program, 14 short, unique, wonderful films about adventure, nature, environmental issues of the day. Really exciting, a beautiful program. So hopefully you can join us with that. Today we are right now focusing on the Spicebush plant, the Spicebush, which is the host plant for the Spicebush Swallowtail butterfly, one of our favorite butterflies. Beautiful big black butterfly with blue on the bottom. And if you remember the life cycle of the butterfly, egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly, the caterpillar stage of that life cycle is the eating machine part. And those caterpillars, a lot of our caterpillars are extremely specialists in what they can eat. The Spicebush Swallowtail can only eat two kinds of plants, and that is spicebush and sassafras. So we're planting more spicebush for those caterpillars. Rob, you want to tell us a little bit about the spicebush?
Sure, love to. Spicebush is one of my favorite plants. I like a lot of things that are fragrant, and the spicebush, like the name says, has a nice spicy fragrance to the foliage. It's a moderate grower, so it's not going to grow overwhelmingly quickly, but it can get some size to it. Given enough time, you could expect to see something anywhere from 5-6 feet on up to 10 or 12 feet. The really cool thing about the spicebush is it's adaptable and comfortable in lots of different conditions. So if you've got a sunny spot like this, it's going to be happy. If you've got a woodsy edge, sort of semi-shade, understory tree, understory planting, that's fine. They can even take a lot of deep shade. If you put them in deep shade, they're probably going to get a little open and stretched out and leggy looking, but they'll still do okay. The flowers typically come out sometime in March, and each plant is either going to be male or female. So the male plants typically have slightly larger flowers, and then the females, you have to have both because you have to have cross-pollination if you want the fruit. So the other really nice thing about the spicebush is that besides being a host plant for the swallowtails, the flowers are going to support pollinators, and if the fruit production occurs, then you're also going to be supporting the birds. So this is a really, really lovely plant. I'm really glad that we're putting more of these in because these are just awesome to have.
And we can't wait for the summertime when the Spicebush Swallowtail butterflies are out and about again. So we're just getting ready to plant this little guy right here in our meadow. We have a little bit of compost and tuck it in that small hole, and we'll water it and watch it grow.